Hello YouTube, this is a video tutorial on how to have dual streaming from a single computer utilizing both the GPU and the CPU encoding methods. The use for this is going to be something along the lines of having a live stream that's a 24/7 live stream, and then using the same computer to be able to do like Q&A live streams with your fans who without having to turn the 24/7 live stream off. So you're going to have to use OBS to do this correctly, or at least there's probably other softwares that you can use, but I know how to do it with OBS. So you're going to want to download OBS and VLC Media Player. Those are the two requirements for this to work. Now you're going to want to open your first instance of OBS, and to open and then you're going to want to create a scene, and then under the sources you're going to want to click the plus sign here, and you're going to want to click VLC video source. Now beforehand you're going to want to prepare a folder. The folder is going to contain all the videos that you want within the 24/7 live stream. So any video that you want in the live stream, you just put into a folder, and then you add that folder to this source. So as you can see, I added it twice. We're going to remove it, and we're going to remove both of them and show you from scratch. So VLC video source, you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name it 24/7. And you're going to want to use always play even when not visible under visibility behavior. It is your choice if you want the videos to shuffle and you want to leave loop playlist enabled. That way, when the videos are all played, it'll just start them all again. And now you want to click this little plus sign and click add directory. And you want to select that folder. Here mine is named 24/7 live stream. And then you select the folder and then you click OK. And it'll start playing the videos in this preview. And as you can see, I'm actually already streaming this. So if we go to twitch.tv/Socratic Ironing, you'll see that I am actually live streaming this right now. And the settings that you're going to want to use before starting the live stream. So we're going to actually stop the live stream real quick and go through the settings. So obviously under stream, you're going to want to select one of your stream keys, because in order to do this, you're going to need two stream keys. You're going to need one for the 24/7 live stream and one for your Q&A live stream. And you paste whichever key, Twitch or YouTube or Mixer, into the stream key here. Select your server. I'm just going to leave mine on auto. And then under output for the 24/7 live stream, I recommend using the GPU to encode it. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, it's going to show up as NVIDIA NVENC H264. If it's an AMD GPU, it's going to be under a different name. It's pretty much going to be the one that's not X264. And you just want to select that, and the settings are basically going to be the same. So select CBR for rate control. For your bit rate, this is going to depend on your upload speed. 1 megabit per second is equal to 1000 kilobits per second. And YouTube allows up to 10,000, maybe 15,000. And Twitch allows up to 6,000 for affiliates. And I think partners can get up to like 8,000. So I'm going to use 3,000 because I only have 6,000 upload speed. And so I'm just going to split it 50-50 for the demonstration. You want 2 keyframe intervals. For the preset, you're going to want to pick max performance, not max quality, especially if it's a very still framed sort of like motion or like motionless video feed. You're not going to get much benefit from clicking max quality, so leave it at max performance. And under profile, you want to pick high, and you can uncheck both of these in order to save more system resources. or you can, and that's likely recommended for a video feed that's going to be very still and not having and not going to have like much fast motion, kind of like what's shown in this video here. And then max B frames 2, and you can click apply, but we want to go to the video tab before we close this window, and you want to select your output. Either 1080p or 720p is recommended. Your FPS is going to depend on what kind of content you're streaming. Again, if it's a very motionless, still framed kind of setup, going like with lower FPS value is not going to make too much of a difference. So you can use 30 FPS here, click apply, and then OK. And you can also right click this preview and uncheck enable preview, and this will save some system resources too. Now, as you can see right now, there are these two boxes right here that I have muted. One of them is my microphone, and the other one is my desktop audio. You're going to want to mute both of these for the 24/7 live stream. That way you can use your computer whenever you want, like listening to music, like I can listen to this song, and it's not going to affect this audio track right here, which is the only one that goes to the 24/7 live stream. It affects this audio track right here, as you can see. So you want to make sure that all those are muted because it's not relevant to the 24/7 live stream, and then you can start the stream. And then you just minimize it and kind of forget about it. Just, you don't want to turn the computer off, obviously, but you don't really have to do anything else there. Now you want to open a new session of OBS, and that new session is going to be, let's see, in order to open a new session, you just want to right click the OBS icon wherever you may have it, and you just click open again. And then it'll prompt you saying that OBS is already open, which I think I'll just show you. So we'll just right click, run as administrator. OBS is already running, launch anyways, and then boom, there it is. Now in this one, this is going to be like your Q&A stream on your other channel account. And in order to do that, you're going to have a different scene. I'm just going to create a new one, and we'll call it Q&A. And under the Q&A stream, we want these unchecked. So we want the microphone and we want the desktop audio unchecked. That way, if you want to play some music in the background, and you can do that. And obviously you need your microphone in order to answer questions. And you'd also want to add a mic, or not a microphone, but a camera source. The camera source is going to be under, not display capture, but video capture device. Now I don't have a camera to select from, but like you can imagine the Elgato game capture is a camera. You just select it. You can leave everything pretty much on default, click OK, and then it'll pop up with your webcam. But for my purposes, I'm just going to do a desktop capture, which is going to be a display capture. And that's just going to show my desktop, and you can imagine that this is the webcam. And now under settings, we're going to go to stream, and we're going to want to add a different stream key. So this stream key, which I need to get real quick. It's under video producer, maybe. Channel, copy. There, I'm just going to leave the 24/7 live stream up so we can see how it affects it. Right, there it is. It's still playing in the background. And then we want to paste our new stream key into there and click apply. Under output, we want to change the encoder from the GPU, the NVENC one, to X264. And we're going to again select 3000 megabits per second. And we're going to select super fast. you probably want to select between these first three. Each one is going to use more CPU resources. We're just going to select super fast to be safe. And then we're going to click high, and we're going to leave everything else the same. Click apply. And then under video, you want to change the output scale to match your webcam. So if it's a 720p webcam, pick 720p. If it's 1080p, select 1080p. And again, the FPS, likely you'll be good with 30. But if it's a 60 FPS webcam, you can bump it up to 30 or to 62. And then you click OK. And again, you can disable the preview to save system resources. And then start streaming. Now this is going to pop up on the other stream, which should show up here in a second. Any second now. Oh, there we go. We just needed to refresh the page. Oh. Not sure what's happening. We are getting some skip frames, so... But the stream should still be going through. Oh, there we go. It just took a little while. So the stream started. And now you can see both are playing back to back. Now the stuttering, we can see here on OBS that we are getting some skipped frames on the Q&A one. So the CPU is a little bit overworked right now. So to fix that, you want to go from super fast to like ultra fast and click apply. And we can reset and see what the difference is. Plus sometimes in the beginning it's a little unstable and then it fixes up. But for our other stream, for our 24/7 live stream, you can see we don't have any errors. We have a couple frames due to rendering lag. But aside from that, like it's less than 1% of the frames dropped. So as you can see, we have both running side by side. This would be on the left, your Q&A session, and on the right would be the 24/7 live stream. And if we take a listen real quick to the 24/7 live stream, you'll see that there's no, here we'll play the song and me talking for a couple seconds, la la la, la la la, and then we'll take a listen to the audio. All right, we can confirm that the stream caught up. So as you can see, there was no like microphone capture. There was no desktop audio capture. So this stream is completely isolated from the other one. Now over here on the left, we can check the audio again. So hello, hello. I'm listening to music, asking questions, answering questions to my chat, yada, yada, yada. Answering questions to my chat, yada, yada, yada. And as you can see, the audio's showing up on that side of on that stream, on the Q&A stream. So I hope this tutorial helps, and good luck streaming. Thank you for watching.